In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my homemade Ghana butter bread. So if you're interested, kindly stay with me as I take you through all the process you would need in making this sweet, simple, homemade butter bread. And if possibly, share with you a business idea that occurred to me when I was making this bread. Hey yummy, if you are new to this channel, thank you so much. Consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you're an old subscriber, you know Yummy Cash loves you, right? Thank you so much for always being there for me. So let's get started. So first things first, I grease my pan and dust it with little flour and then set it aside. Now, in a bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of dry instant yeast, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and then I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. But you can adjust the quantity to how you want it. Now I mix everything with my hand till it's well mixed. I'm adding vanilla to give it that nice taste and flavor. It is optional, but I will recommend. The next thing I'm adding is warm milk, not too hot and not too cold. So what I'll do is I'll keep adding it bit by bit to the flour till I get the correct consistency I'm going in for. I have listed all the ingredients together with the measurements in the description box. Kindly check it out and kindly check my other videos. Yes, kindly check my ice cream recipes. This bread goes very well with all of them, especially homemade fan milk. You will eat and eat and eat and eat too. Chai. So if you are new here to this channel, hey, yummy, thanks very much for considering to watch this video. I have this friend who always tells me, yummy, I've tried making bread and it's this and it's that. And as practice, keep on practicing. This is not my first time making bread. And my first time making bread, I wish I could find the picture to show you. Okay, I'll continue later. So I've gotten the right consistency I'm going in for or I want. I transfer the dough to a clean dusted surface and start kneading. And yes, kneading takes time, yet it is very crucial when making bread. So I'll add melted or room temperature butter when kneading. And yes, it's going to be messy, but it is worth it. But as you continue kneading, everything will come back to be beautiful. As I was saying, this is not my first time baking bread, and I don't think it's going to be my last. My first time, the bread was as hard as a stone. I couldn't eat it. The second time, oh my goodness, part of the bread got cooked, another part did not cook well. And the third time, the surface got bent. In fact, I have tried and tried and tried. And as time goes on, I have become perfectly perfect in making bread. Yes, I can say for sure, and I know myself that I bake the best bread, and my family loves it whenever I make bread at home. So practice. In fact, I am encouraging you. Say to yourself, I can do it. As time goes on, don't even think of what the money you're going to spoil or you're going to spend in buying the stuff. Keep on practicing. Practice makes man perfect. Now the dough is okay. Now it is smooth and it is firm, so I grease my bowl with a little of the butter and move the dough into it. I cover it with fling rubber and then followed it with napkin. At this point, the dough needs to rest. It is tired now because punching it, doing this, the dough is tired now. Yes, so you cover it and then you let it rest, and you know, you let the yeast do its magic. You keep it in a warm place for 45 minutes or till it doubles in size. Now, it's been 45 minutes now, and as you can see, the dough has doubled in size and has risen. So beautiful and so nice. So what I'll do is I will punch the dough, bum, to release all the air from it and then transfer it to the surface to remold it nicely. I then transfer to my greased pan and cover it for additional 30 minutes. That is the second proofing. However, if you don't want to second proof your dough, you can go ahead and bake it. But second proofing your dough helps it to rise and give it the elasticity the bread needs and allows the yeast to do its magic. I always call it magic to the bread, and also it really helps the bread to become very soft and how do I say it's chin chin. So this is how the second proven how it has risen. So I'm going to start baking it, and I'm going to bake it for 30 to 45 minutes. And hey, when baking, always put water beside it. It really helps attracts moisture and softness, to the bread. It gives the bread some, kind of softness. And sweethearts, first as the bread. Oh yes, that's it. You see it. You see. I'm cutting it. Hold on. Yes, a chance. Yeah, but you will eat it like that. Hold on. So, my goodness, I nearly forget my business plan I have for you, sweethearts. Check the bread out. oh, oh, Atana. So this is the business plan I was talking about. You see what I just brought is American butter cream. Yes, used in making this cake. I have a recipe on it I will be bringing out soon. I made a cake. I decorated a cake, and I made this American butter cream, for decorating, and it goes perfectly well with this bread. So consider adding it to your bread if ever you consider yourself one day baking bread or selling bread. It's going to go very well, and I know your customers are going to enjoy it, and they'll always come back for more. Even if you don't ever consider yourself, selling bread or baking this bread to sell one day, just try it for your family and friends. I mean, the buttercream, I don't know, but I'm going to leave a link in the description box. Kindly check it out. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you've not. Leave me a comment and share this video. It's free. See you in my next video. Cheers.